Alright, so we're here in, we came down Talisai and we're gonna take the road around the lake, but we're gonna stop off and get some breakfast because I am hungry. Hungry. So here's what I got. I got some rice, I got a little omelet, some embutido. Albert went with the hot dog, fried egg. Breakfast of champions. I don't know if you can see it up there, but there's a big landslide. According to Albert, somewhere in this hillside, there's a landslide that buried 20 people. It's terrible. So I think this is where the water washed down, right in this area, or one of many areas. There's the old curb. All that washed down. Terrible. So we're back here looking at a little area here. This is, what's this called, Albert? This is
Sampaloc, Barangay Sampaloc.
Barangay Sampaloc. And this is just up the road from where we had breakfast. And there's the path of the landslide. And Albert was saying this was all houses here. Yeah. And this was a house right here. Someone's house. This house right here is damaged. There was a house there. This house right here is damaged. This house damaged. Bad. Houses destroyed.
No, this whole area, there's 5 houses here. A apartment house. This here. All apartment house, but now it's all gone.
Wow.
Washed out by the
and this is the area that had the victims?
Yeah, the 20 people was buried alive in this area here.
Wow, 20 people buried alive in this. It was an apartment building, you said, right?
Apartment building.
Oh my God.
Mostly the people live here is coming from Masbate.
Masbate?
Yeah, Masbate.
So were they like migrant workers or?
Yeah, they are migrant workers. Maybe they are working at the fish pond.
Ah, working on the lake, and the harvesting fish or fishing.
Fish farming.
Wow. So you can see over here. So now these buildings, the municipality has instructed everybody to vacate these buildings. They're not safe to live in. And I think that you said they're going to restrict this area?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're not going to be able to rebuild here. And everything here is empty. And so much destruction. Look at the water lines are just a twisted mess. This was all organized before, and people were staying here. And there you can see the lake. And
right now it's also a house.
huh?
This one is also a house.
This
Yeah, this one is
so this one was, yeah. I guess it makes sense because all the way to the road. Wow. How quickly did it happen, Albert? Did you get any information as far as?
That was, from the start at 11 o'clock in the morning, the flood slowly pouring down from the mountain, and then at the 2 o'clock in the afternoon, there's another flood coming down. That's more intense.
Right.
Flooded, yeah.
And that's where the slide happened at 2 o'clock. So intense runoff at 11 a.m. and then another really intense deluge of water at 2 p.m. and that's when the landslide occurred, 2 p.m. in the afternoon.
Massive, those rocks falling from the mountain.
Yeah. So this is Ate's house, just totally devastated. And there's big rocks. Watch out, boys. Watch out. Wow. That's a rock or a big hunk of land. Just totally, just everything destroyed. Everything. So here we are. They just parked that truck there. They're blocking access because they want to keep people from trying to get over onto this bridge over here that's out. So there used to be a bridge right there that went over a waterway that went into the lake, and that bridge washed out. So they're diverting traffic away. This is all people's stuff that was caught up in the flood and washed away, and now it's just pushed down here. Garbage as garbage. It's so sad. Really sad.